What's up, percussionists? We're going to be doing the song Hot Cross Buns today. The first thing that we need to realize is that inside of Smart Music, if you hit play with the My part on, you're going to hear quarter notes the entire time because the bass drum part is programmed as a snare drum, and it's also playing the bass drum part. So don't use the My part to help you in this song. Instead, use your own counting skills. I'm going to play it once now, counting and playing, not using the backing track. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 2, 3. Some of my accents weren't perfect. Try to make sure that yours were more obvious than mine were. If you can get that counting correct, if you can count that with me, then you're doing great. Let's do it with the backing track now. My part is off. The big thing here is making sure that you play the correct rests in the right place and also observe the accents. If you can do all that, you're going to have a great run. Good job. See you in the next one.